Hey guys, my nose is like really stuffy right now. I'm gonna make a burp video because I haven't posted in like months now. Yeah. I was watching a movie and I cried. So, yeah. Alright, anyways. Oh, I can't push out. Hold on. Alright. I haven't like burped in a really long time actually. Alright. Oh my god, I can't burp. But it's like 1 in the morning. Thursday night. Yeah, whatever. Hey. My nose is out. Oh, maybe fine. Annoying. Bye. Yeah, I said bye because I can't really burp right now. Peace out.